What's up, dear viewers? In this video I want to show you how to use the CI tools, that is the Cadimage, to do let's say roof covering, wall covering, etc. in Archicad 2024. Now doing the roof covering is quite easy. Okay, my drawing is quite big, so let's give it a minute to load so that I can demonstrate how to do the roof covering. I just select one of all, hold shift and select to roof, go to CI tools, and then I'll go to I need covering, I need roof covering. Okay, there are settings. You can just add your settings, and I'll just click OK. Okay, now I've been able to do my roof covering. So if we go to the plan, or if we go to the plan view, you're going to see clearly see the difference. Please just watch this video to the end so that you can know how to do these accurately. I'm gonna have to delete that roof. I think that's the roof covering. I'm just going to delete that that particular roof. So, and just escape, because just remove these ones. Okay, are we on the plan of these? I need to remove some of these roofs. Okay, I'm going to delete this one. Just select and press delete, or I just select holding shift and select all that I need to delete. Yeah, it's quite a bit slower because my drawing is quite big. So holding shift, pick I'm going to pick all of these. And same to this side. Then I can press delete. Just delete. So it's going to load a bit. Then I want us to do all the roof covering together before we can go to wall coverings. So I can hold shift plus press the scroll button to rotate. and shading analytics. Just like that. Okay, then we can add the roof covering this side. Let me first delete. Some of this. And then just select. Select. I'm holding shift so that and delete. Okay, now we can add select all our roof, holding shift. I think select, then select that. Okay, I can unselect this one and then escape. Select the two because they are intersecting. I'm not sure if, let me just add the covering. Go to roof covering. We can change the setting to see facial framing. Okay. Just click OK. So I'm just wait for Archicad to apply our covering. Okay, then I'll do the same. Just pick that roof and this roof here, and then go to CI tools, covering, roof covering, just click OK. Just click OK.